Not too long ago, I just turned 40 years old a few weeks back, so happy belated to me. And I've worked with Toyota for almost half of my life now. And during this time, I've really learned a lot about success from the company, from the manufacturer. Three or four different things that I'm going to touch on. And probably the last point of what I learned from working with Toyota about success is probably the most important, but let's get right into it. Starting with the first thing I learned about success from working with the brand Toyota over the past nearly 20 years is that success takes time. Good things take time. The real success that you really want doesn't happen overnight. And I really did learn that from Toyota. All the various trainings I've been to and conferences that I've been to with the manufacturer and for the manufacturer, you learn a lot. For example, if you didn't already know, fun fact, Toyota actually started way back, like 100 years ago, if not more, and they were a looming company, like a textile looming company. So they were not even in the car business, and they had this really nice machine that was able to, produce textiles at a, insane amount or level of quality and fast. And what happened was the actual inventor ended up passing, and the son took over the invention and decided to broaden their technology and their patents into automotive and into the vehicle production. But they actually started out as a looming textile company, and that's just insane because Toyota is one of the largest automakers and auto manufacturers in the world, globally known. And you can see that success just takes time. When they first started making vehicles back in, I'm not sure exactly what it was, maybe the 60s or 70s, they failed miserably. They first started producing vehicles for United States, and they had to go back to the drawing board many times to produce the right type of vehicle, and then they finally got it. And ever since, I mean, it's just Toyota has just taken off. They've been so high demand, so popular, and I'll get to more of that in a second. And by the way, everyone who's watching this video is going to get a free copy of a 50-page long hybrid ebook guide that I'll leave in the description below. Talks about everything Toyota hybrid related. And also, if you already own a Toyota hybrid, there's a second ebook that you can purchase if you like. That is a little bit more in depth for people who already own Toyota hybrid vehicles, has a couple of checklists on it. And if you appreciate content like this, help me out and subscribe to the channel. It would really mean a lot to me. Probably the second thing that I've learned about success in working with Toyota is that you don't necessarily have to be popular to be popular. What do I mean by that? Well, Toyota wasn't always the first choice for consumers and customers when they're looking for a vehicle. Actually, as a matter of fact, not too long ago, Toyota was known for having, very simple styling and designs and very low technology in some of their vehicles. We're talking back in the 2000 and maybe 9 or 2015 days. I've been working with Toyota since 2008, and they were always known for being a little bit late to the party in terms of, some specific styling concepts or interior designs or, technology updates. But what Toyota did was they went with their own path and they stuck to what they knew or what they know best. And it really worked out for them. And now, I mean, in 2026, everybody who's thinking about getting a vehicle is thinking some kind of version of a Toyota at some point, or most of the public or most of the consumers is thinking Toyota to some degree. So the table is really turned. So going back to, you don't always have to be popular to be popular. If you stick to what you know and what you do best, the time will come when, you will shine as a company, as an individual, whatever the case is, because you're doing what you do best. And that's what Toyota's been doing for so long, which, kind of takes me to my hybrid conversation. Toyota started doing hybrids so long ago. Actually, their first Prius debuted, I think, in 1998, which is quite some time ago. And nobody knew what and why hybrids were being even considered at that time. But look at us now, 25, nearly 30 years later, everybody is talking about hybrid vehicles, hybrid powertrains, hybrid systems, hybrid technology. Almost all of our vehicles in our Toyota lineup right now are either offered in some type of hybrid or come only hybrid. And that's the way of the future. That's the way of the current state, not only from Toyota, but from other brands and other manufacturers. And it's mainly because Toyota knew at that time it wasn't popular, but they also knew that they're doing what they know and what they believe in and what they do best, and it really paid off in the end. Now, in working with Toyota for nearly half of my life, what's the third principle of success that I've learned? Well, that is that you have to be able to solve some kind of or some type of problem for whoever your customer is. And Toyota really does a good job at that. They solve many problems, in my opinion. They solve the problem of finding a good value, reliable vehicle. They solve the problem of fuel economy, efficiency, so many different areas where they help people for their day-to-day function, whether it's transportation, whether it's overall mobility, saving money on fuel, whatever the case is. So finding or being able to find a problem or have a problem that you can help solve or resolve is really a big fundamental of being successful, and Toyota really did a good job at teaching me that. The fourth and final aspect of being successful that really hits the nail on the head, and this is probably the most important one in my opinion, and this is really where Toyota shines. You have to be reliable. Reliability is key in everything, in not only vehicles or your cars or whatever it is, but even as a person, even as a business, as a company, as a product. You have to be reliable in every way, shape, or form possible. And that will really help to determine your success in whatever it is that you're trying to do, whatever industry that it is. Reliability is key. Toyota is the most, if not the most, reliable automaker on the planet in terms of, largest, most reliable, sought after companies. They're right there next to companies like Apple and other large, corporations and companies. So being reliable is definitely key. So that's the fourth and final thing, really, of what I learned in my nearly 20 years working with the Toyota automaker. And I think in terms of learning, it's constant. Toyota is going to keep pushing the bar, pushing the envelope in terms of products, innovations, designs. So much more still has to come from the brand, as far as I'm concerned and as far as I know, which means that it's exciting. There's so much more to learn and to take away from this very big successful company. Hope you enjoyed this different type of video and different style of video, just to change things up a bit. And if you didn't already, grab your copy of your free hybrid ebook guide. It's going to be linked in one of those links in the description below. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.